I'm Ashley Portillo covering Colorado first.
All right, it's a first alert weather day in some parts of our state. So here he is, meteorologist Dave Aguilera with those details.
Yeah, east and south of the city, we've got some rough travel going on this morning. That eastern storm that came together this weekend now just back again to Colorado. Blizzard warnings are in effect south and east of the Denver metro area. Denver's not in the warning, but it's snowing and it's windy here right now. Here's our downtown Denver camera. A little bounce to that. There's a little bit of wind with the snow coming down, and most of the roads around the city have had a coating of snow, so it's very slick out there. This is I-70 out near Deer Trail. You can see the wind blowing the camera out around a little bit out there. They've had snow this morning. And here's I-25 just north of Dry Creek, and same deal there. Snow on the ground. It's going to be slick, especially bridges and overpasses, because the snow came in overnight. A lot of the road crews have not had enough time to go treat the roads and that type of thing, so slow it down, low and slow this morning. 31 in Loveland, it's 27 downtown and 22 in Parker to start you off. Kimberly Novich in Como coming in with over an inch of snow at her house out there in Park County. Here's the storm system. Now, if you remember last week, we were talking about a storm coming out of Alaska, one coming out of California. They have merged over Nebraska, and it is just swirling here. We've got problems from Detroit back into Minneapolis, Bismarck, right into Colorado, back into Wichita here. So you can see these bands of snow coming back up against the front range here. Just within the last hour and a half, had some pretty good snows going through the Denver metro area. Now, the heaviest of that is going from Aurora all the way down to Elizabeth and the north side of Colorado Springs as well, with the winds just whipping up. Look at DIA right now, 43 mile per hour out that way. It's 40 out in Fort Morgan, 48 in Sterling. In the last hour, they've seen a gust up to 61 mile per hour out that way. That's the reason for the blizzard warning. The wind is just relentless all day long into tomorrow morning. South Dakota, Nebraska, Wyoming, Kansas, and us here in Colorado in that blizzard warning area. Not going to be a ton of snow. We'll probably see about 2 to 7 inches of snow along this line, but you add in that wind, 35 mile per hour sustained for at least 3 hours, you got a blizzard going on, and that's what we're seeing. Castle Pines, Parker, Castle Rock, all included in that as well down there in Douglas County. Now, as we go through the day, we'll have breaks in this where it will push out east and then come back. We might even see a little bit of rain mixed in with the snow around the Denver metro area, because we'll be above freezing this afternoon. But tonight, 10 p.m., still snowing. Still got snow from Denver southward into Monument Hill, and even into tomorrow morning, a little bit of light snow. But by the time we get into the noon hour, things will start to clear out tomorrow. Temperatures today, 20s and 30s over most of Colorado. A few 40s here down in southeastern Colorado. Now, 38 ought to be the high temperature today. 42 tomorrow as the sunshine returns by afternoon. Will be 43 on Thursday. And then we start to warm up by the time we get into Friday on into the weekend. And Monday, we're back into the 50s by then, in a pretty nice stretch, at least into the first couple of days of the new year.
Oh, my
Look at that. We're going to be in the 40s next Tuesday and Wednesday. Any New Year's resolutions yet for you?
It's the same every year, and I always fail by January 5th or something. So it's always like, lose a few pounds, and I'm done. What about you?
Me too. Same thing. Stop eating. Just stop. I do it for about a week, and then it's over.
It's all the same. Broken record. All right, let's take a look at traffic now this morning. And as Dave mentioned, it